Hi, boys and girls. This week we're going to be talking about a new group of animals called the amphibians. Most amphibian species can fall into one of three groups: frogs and toads, salamanders and newts, and another group called the caecilians. Amphibians are cold-blooded vertebrates that live in almost all parts of the world. The only places you will not find these animals is where the temperatures are so extreme that they cannot stay warm or cool enough to survive. Antarctica is a place where they cannot survive, along with some very, very dry deserts. Most amphibians hatch from eggs in water and breathe through their gills. As amphibians grow, they develop legs, lungs, and other body parts which allow them to live on land. The word amphibian itself captures this unique ability to live literally double lives. They can live in the water at first and then move at ease between the land and the water. Amphibians have a unique characteristic. They breathe through their skin. Amphibians are vertebrates, which means they have a backbone, but they're a little bit different than the other invertebrates. Amphibians go through what's called a metamorphosis. Metamorphosis is a neat process in their life cycle. It means that their bodies change in shape and ability as they grow from being young to becoming the adults. Amphibians usually have moist skin, which they use to breathe underwater once they have developed lungs and lost their gills. They live in moist places or near water to keep their skin from drying out. Here are some amphibian fun facts. There are more than 6,200 species of amphibians alive today. The Chinese giant salamander is the largest amphibian. It can be 6 feet long. The world's smallest frog is only 8 millimeters long. Amphibians were the first vertebrates to live on land, and many amphibians have poisonous skin. We're going to talk about the different types of amphibians. We're also going to remember that they have certain special qualities that makes them different from reptiles. Amphibians have webbed feet, which help them swim. They breathe with their lungs and gills. Amphibians are cold-blooded. They have moist, smooth skin, and they usually have 4 legs. Frogs and toads are the most common of these amphibians that we see around here. Their habitat for the frog would be that they live near swamps or ponds. They like to eat insects, worms, and small mammals. Their young are born in the water without legs. And here's a fun fact, that frogs never close their eyes. They can see forward, to the side, and up at the same time. Toads are another amphibian. Toads live on water and land. Their diet is insects, worms, and slugs. They're young, just like the frogs, hatch from eggs, and are tadpoles first. And a fun fact for the toad is their skin has a bitter taste that scares predators. And adult toads do not need to live in water to survive. Salamanders live on water and land. They eat earthworms, slugs, snails, fish, and some small mammals. As the young, parents take turns guarding the eggs, curling up around them and turning them often. And the fun fact about salamanders is that salamander is the name for all amphibians who have tails when they're adults. Our last amphibian that we're going to talk about today is the newt. The newt lives in water, but mostly on land, and they like to eat earthworms, slugs, and snails. And the parents protect the eggs by wrapping leaves around each one. So I hope you enjoyed learning a little bit about amphibians. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.